Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. What my channel Simply Makeup is all about. So I put the I ams in the beginning, and in the end of the video I put a nice message of encouragement to encourage you, to encourage yourself, and to encourage others along the way. It's all about applying my makeup, having fun, spending the day with you, encouraging you and myself, and empowering you to go empower somebody else, as well as I get empowered from the message also. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. If you hear noise, it is just my windows are open, so every car that passes you will hear something. Our I am today is I am victorious. I am victorious. If you have never created a smoky eyes, or you are afraid to create one, or you have created one before, I'm going to show you how to create a smoky eye look from this one color pink eyeshadow look. Please take a look at that and see how I created that for you, my subscribers and viewers. And now I'm going to show you how to take a one color eyeshadow look and create a smoky eye look with it. Please share these videos. It keeps me visible on YouTube. And remember, I am victorious is our I am for today. You are victorious. You watching right now, you are victorious. Don't let anyone tell you differently. I'm pointing at you, and when I'm pointing at you, I'm also pointing at me. I am victorious, you are victorious. Remember that always. Now, we create a smoky eye look. I'm taking this brush. It's a little fluffy, but it's a little dense. And I'm going to go into stars. The beautiful black shadow in here. Gorgeous. Before I use the brush, I'm going to use my finger. Let's see what happens. This is such a unique formula. Maybe it's in other shadows and I never notice it, but for this JUVIA'S, first time. Take a look. Stars. It has the correct name. For the smoky eye, I'm just going to go right here in the corner, outer corner, and I'm just going to tap it right here. We want this to be smoky and sexy. That's all I'm going to do to this look. Just smoke it out in the outer corner. I'm staying under the bone. I'm trying to be precise and stay right there. This one is smoked. I'll blend it a little. And this one isn't. Can you see the difference? Regular, smoky. So don't be afraid to create a smoky eye look. Go for it. If you don't like how it come out, wash it off and do it again until you like it. But you can do a smoky eye look. You can. I know you can. I'm trying to stay under this bone right here. I don't want to go above it. I have one eye bigger than the other, one is more hooded than the other, so I have to make sure I am in range so it doesn't look lopsided. So right under that bone, you see, I'm under it. Same with this, I'm under it right here. So I'm just being careful and staying in range. And now that I have applied it with my fingers, let me check for fallout. Very, very little fallout. I'll show you. See if you can see right here. There is a little bit And over here there's a little bit. With the brush, I think because of the formula, the brush lifts it up more and make it more fall out. But this is pretty. I'm wiping my fingers and I still have traces of it on my finger. It is just a beautiful, beautiful shade. Beautiful palette. Beautiful palette. Juvia's Place Black Woman Makeup Company, and they make shades for all skin types. Not sponsored, but just needed to put that out there. You know what I mean? Gotta give them a little. And I'm going to take my brush, and it's fluffy, and I'm just going to go over it. I'm not doing anything extra, just going over it. And if I need more, I will add more. And I do need more, so I'm going in and I'm just dabbing it right here where I see I need more with the brush. And over here, and just go back in here and do the same. What you do to one eye, you want to do to the other. I see my magnifying mirror, we're looking good. Is that what I want? I need a little right here because we are smoking the outer corner. So I want to make sure I have enough. You will know when you have enough. I like a dark outer corner when I'm doing my smoky eyes. You might want it a medium shade of black, but whichever one you want. Now that I've used the brush, take a look at the fallout. You see the brush lifts more of the fallout than when I use my finger. And I think it's because of that formula. Like I said, it's a cream matte. And it have all the little shimmers in it, so I think that's why there is so much fallout in that one. But don't be afraid to use it. Use it. I go back in the brush that have pink on it, and I'm not adding anything else. I'm just going on the corner right here of the black and the pink where they meet, and I'm just going to make it a little bit more, well, a little bit less defined, okay? So this is all I'm doing. I'm showing you how to create your smoky eye look. You don't want to blend it because it will start changing it into a different color, but I'm just tapping over it. Now I turn the brush on the other way, on the other side, not the other way, the other side, and I am just doing the same thing over here, right on the line, the border line of pink and black, and I'm just dabbing. I am not blending because it will get muddy, and I don't want muddy. I'm just showing you smoky. I am victorious is our I am for today. You are victorious. I am victorious. We are all victorious. I am victorious. Thank you for supporting my channel. I want to take the opportunity to thank you now in case I don't get to do it at the end of the year. Thank you very much for everyone who subscribes, everyone who views, everyone who watches the video all the way to the end, everyone who shares my videos. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you, thank you, thank you for a great 2023. You all got me to 1,000+ subscribers. I have not gotten the watch time hours yet, but we are a strong team, and I know that will happen in due time. But in the meantime, let us keep empowering, let us keep encouraging, let us keep motivating one another. So today's I am is I am victorious. I am victorious. This is the one color, pink eyeshadow look, I turn it into a smoky eye look. I'm using the AFROGALACTIC eyeshadow palette from JUVIA'S place, which is so beautiful. It's all about space. It's nice. So the one color eyeshadow, I used the pink. For the smoky eye look, I added the black right here. Go ahead with your eyeshadow palette, take it out, play with it, create, uncreate, create your heart's desire. What you love, what you like, do it. It might not be makeup, but whatever it is you choose to do it. If you've been planning on having a YouTube channel and you're afraid, go for it. Just go for it. Do whatever you love. If you just love to just do whatever it is that you love doing, and you think, okay, maybe I'll just do a YouTube channel just to show people what I can do, go ahead and do it. But remember, YouTube is like a job. It's tough. It's not easy. So put all those things in place, but don't let that hold you back. Go for it if that's what you want to do. Have fun. If you want to post once a week, do it. Post twice a week, do it. Whatever it is you want to do, go ahead and do it. You are victorious, honey. Don't let anybody or fear stand in your way. If it's the promotion at work that you keep saying, maybe, I should, but I'm not good enough, I'm not this, I'm not that, I'm not that. You are victorious. Man or woman, go for that promotion. If you've been procrastinating about going to the dentist or the doctor or anything, stop procrastinating. You are victorious. Go do it. Find out what is making you ill. You're victorious. Go figure it out. You can figure it out because you are victorious. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Never ever give up on self. And if you have troubling thoughts, seek help. Find help. Talk to someone. Talk to a lot of people. If that is going to prevent you from harming yourself, talk to a lot of people. Don't give up on you. No one has given up on you yet. So don't give up on yourself. It might look like people have given up on you, but there are people out there praying for you in the trenches that you don't know of. So don't give up on yourself. I am Simply Makeup, and I am saying to have a fabulous, fantastic, glorious, prosperous, joyous day. Smoky eye look. You can call it a 2-color eyeshadow also. But I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe. And again, don't give up on self. Bye.